Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to replace this blender actuator in the passenger side. The first thing you need to do, you need to remove the glove box. I already did it, and now you have two bolts over there. You will need a T25 and remove it. All right, let's do it. All right, I end up using another tool. Okay, it's coming out. All right, so everything is out. We can pull it now. And it is hard, so let's put the new one. All right, so now we have the new one. Just put it like this. Okay, make sure it aligns properly. So now we can start putting the screw the same way we took it out. All right, making sure everything is nice and tight. All right, and plug it up and plug it. That's it. That's how to replace. No more noise, easy peasy, and that's it. Thank you for watching Self Rebuilt, and see you for another video.